What is going on, everybody? I'm Justin, and we are smoking outside this morning. Hopefully, a bird will come to our bird feeder, but I doubt it. My loud ass is out here fucking chirping and smoking. But cheers, everybody. Hope everyone has a great day. Keep a smile on that face. No arguing, especially with your girlfriend that might be sleeping in the room over there. And well, anyways, cheers. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, nothing like a good rip in the morning. Definitely warming up outside. I don't know if I shut up. Maybe you can hear the birds chirping. Huh. Fuck yeah. Smoking some weed outdoors. Cheers. Cheers, motherfucker. Gotta make sure. Hold on, people. Oh. Smoking weed outside. Even have the second pipe packed up, so this might be a little longer video, but no harm, no foul. Smoking on some, I have no idea actually what I'm smoking on, but I have some Heavenly OG inside that we'll be making an up-close video. Probably no smoking because, well, I can't explain that, but you'll get to see it, and we'll probably smoke a bowl of it. Oh, anyone like to wake and bake outside, or am I the only freak? I have my hood on. It's not really that cold. I have my hood on because, wake and bake. Wake and bake. Fucking bedhead. Sun's coming up over there soon. Wake and baking outside. Yeah, so I put this bird feeder up like a week ago. It was filled up to here. All these motherfucking birds, little birds. I'm talking birds the size of that. Just they've been eating one seed at a time a week. Fucking killed that thing. One seed at a time, dude. That's how you gotta live. One seed at a time. I'm telling you, one seed at a time. Oop. Morning. Cheers, everybody. I'm hoping a bird will come. I'll stand back just for a second, so I'll smoke it over here with you guys. Maybe a bird will come over. Come on, birdie, birdie, birdie. Alright, a fucking bird gotta come over. Yeah, I'll get a nice shot. Hold on. Ooh. This is where I'm smoking at right now. As you can see, the driveway is right there. And it leads down to the roadway that, has a home and and it goes up there but there, what's out back there in the summer. Look at all that sun clearing and the yard's like all like up and around, back in. Fuck yeah. Let's see if we can see a bird up in the son of a dick. Sun is coming out. Sun is coming out. Oh, there's a bird. I told you. Whoom. Whoom. Awesome. I got one on my video. If this video ends at any random time, it's because I ran out of memory space. And I apologize. But I really don't think it's going to. Wow. Cool, huh? Anyways, let's break open the new bowl. Cheers, everybody. There's the bird. There's the bird right. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Chickadee-dee-dee. Oh my God! I'm getting high. Waking bacon with birds. Wow. That's awesome. The bird's all the way up there. Let's see you, bird. Chickadee-dee-dee-dee. Chickadee-dee. I don't know. Let's just take a hit because that was awesome. Man, these birds are getting high out here. We'll step away again. Birds everywhere. Cheers, everybody.